morning. How are you? I hope all are going well. Students, what are things we studied in last class? Addition of 4-digit numbers without carryover. Students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to learn about some topics. Addition of 3-digit numbers with carryover. Addition of 3-digit numbers with carryover and addition of 4-digit numbers with carryover. Carryover is also called regrouping. Carryover is also called regrouping. Okay. An example for you. All of you take your text, page number 92. Page number 92. Okay. Our first example. 569 plus 354. 569 plus 354. Carryover is also called regrouping. Okay. Listen here. Ones, tens, hundred. Ones, tens and hundred. Okay. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is the answer. Okay. 13. Okay. Write 3 in the ones place. Write 3 in the ones place. Okay. Write 3 in the ones place and carry 1 to the tens place. Carry 1 to the tens place. Carry 1 to the tens place. Okay. Then add 1 next. 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6. 7. Then 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. 5. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. Okay. 12. 12. Write 2 in the tens place. Write 2 in the tens place. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. 1 to the hundreds place. Okay. 1. Next. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. 6. 1 plus 5. 6. Then 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. 6. 7. 8. 9. 9. Answer is 923 is the answer. Listen here. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. 13 is the answer. Then, നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ 3 എന്ന് എഴുതി. ബാലൻസ് 1 ടെൻസിന്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ എഴുതി. ഓക്കെ. Then 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6. 7. Then 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5. 12. 12. Okay. Then 2 ടെൻസിന്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ എഴുതി. ബാലൻസ് 1 100ന്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ എഴുതി. Then 1 plus 5. ഈ 1 5 കൂടി ആഡ് ചെയ്യാം. 1 plus 5 6. Then 6 plus plus 3, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9. Answer is 923 is the answer. And 923 is the answer. Okay. Next one. Listen here. 278 plus 497. 497. Okay. Listen. Ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100. Okay. Add the ones first. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7. 8. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. Okay. 15. Right? 5 in the ones place. Carry 1 to the tens place. Carry 1 to the tens place. Okay. Balance 1 നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? ടെൻസിന്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ എഴുതി. Okay. Then 1 next. 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7. 8. 1 plus 7. 8. Okay. 8. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9. 8. 9. 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. Okay. 17 is the answer. Write 7 in the tens place. Right? 7 in the tens place. Right? 7 in the tens place and carry 1 to the hundreds place. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. Okay. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 3 is the answer. Then 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the answer. Then answer is 775 is the answer. 775. I will explain one more time. Okay. 278 plus 497. 278 plus 497. Add the ones first. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7. 15. Okay. Write 5 in the ones place. Balance is 1. 1 is carried to the tens place. Carry to the tens place. Then 1 plus 7, 8. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9, 17. 17. Okay. Write 7 in tens place. Then carry 1 to the hundreds carry 1 to the hundreds place. Then add 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, 7. Answer is 775 is the answer. Okay. Carryover is also called regrouping. Carryover is also called regrouping. Next one. Do you understand this? Okay. Next one. Addition of 4-digit numbers with carryover. Addition of 4-digit numbers with carryover. Okay. Listen here. Example 1. Example 1. 3252 plus 5959. 5959. Okay, listen here. 2 plus 9. 2 plus 1s, 10s. 1s, 10s, 100 and 1000. 1s, 10s, 100 and 1000. Okay. Add the ones first. Add the ones first. Okay. 2 and 9. 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9. 9. 10 and 11. Okay. Listen. 11 is the answer. Write 1 in the ones place. Okay. This one. Carry to the tens place. Carry 1 to the tens place. Carry 1 to the tens place. Okay. Then. Next, 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5, 6. Then 6 plus 5. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. 11. Okay, again 11. Write 1 to the tens place. Write 1 to the tens place. Then carry 1 to the hundreds place. Carry this one to the hundreds place. Carry this one to the hundreds place. Okay. Listen. Next. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 3. Then 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9. 9 plus 3. 9. 10. 11. 12. Okay. 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 or 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 12. Write 2 in the hundreds place. Write 2 in the hundred place. Balance 1. Carry to the thousands place. Carry 1 to the thousands place. Carry 1 to the thousands place. Okay. Next. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3. 4. 4. 9 is the answer. Answer is 9211. 9211. I will explain one more time. Add the ones first. Add the ones first. 2 plus 9, 11. 11. Write 1 in the ones place. Okay, right. Then carry 1 to the tens place. Carry 1 to the tens place. Okay, then add 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. 6. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. 11. 11. Okay, right. 11. 1 is right. 1 and carry 2. 1 in the hundreds place. Okay. Next, our next topic, addition of 46 number with carry O. Okay. Example 1. Add 3252 plus 3252 plus 5959. 5959. Okay. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Add the ones first. Ones in the column or the add 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9. 11. 9 plus 2. 2 plus 9 or 9 plus 2. 9. 10. 11. 11. 11. Right. 1 in tens place. This one carry to the tens place. Carry to the tens place. Okay. ഈ വണ്ണ നമ്മൾ ടെൻസിന്റെ പ്ലേസിലേക്ക് ബാലൻസ് ഒന്ന് വണ്ണ ടെൻസിന്റെ പ്ലേസിലേക്ക് എടുത്തെഴുതി. ഓക്കെ. Then 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. Okay. Again 11. 11. Okay. Right. 1 in. Right. 1 in tens place. Then carry to 1. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. Okay. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. Okay. Then 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 3. 1 plus 2. 3. Then 2 plus 9. 1 plus 2. 3. 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 or 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12. 9 plus 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 1 plus 2. 3. 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 or 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12. 2 is right the hundreds place. Then 1 carry to the thousands place. 1 carry to the thousands place. Okay. I will explain one more time. First, add the ones first. Add the ones first. 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9. Answer is 11. Write 1 in the ones place. Carry 1 to the tens place. Okay, then 1 plus 5, 6. This one and 5. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. Again, write 1 in the tens place. Balance is 1. 1 is carried to the hundreds place. Then, next, 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 3 plus 9, 12. 12. 2. Balance is 1. Carry to the thousands. Carry to the thousands place. 1 is carried to the thousands place. Okay, then 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 9,211. 9,211. Okay. Can you follow me? Okay. Next one. Second one. 6,215. 6,215 plus 2,976. Okay, listen here. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Add the ones first. Add the ones first. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Write 1 in ones place. Carry 1 to the tens place. Carry 1 to the tens place. Okay. 1. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7. Okay. 7 plus 2. 7, 8 and 9. Okay. 9. 7 plus 2. 9. 1 plus 2. 2. 2 plus 7. 9. 1 plus 1 plus 1. 2. 1 plus 1. 2. 2 plus 7. 9. Okay. Next. 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9. Or 9 plus 2. 9, 10, 11. Okay. Then again 11. Okay. Write 1 in the hundreds place. Carry 1 to the thousands place. Carry 1 to the thousands place. 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6. 7. 1 plus 6. 7. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2. 7. 8 and 9. Okay, answer is 9,191. 9,191. I will explain one more time. 5 plus 6, 11. Okay. Right. 1 in the place. Then carry 1 to the tens place. Carry this one to the tens place. Then add this one and this one. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. Okay, write 9 here. Then 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9, 11. 1 is here and carry 2. Carry 1 to the thousands place. Carry 1 to the thousands place. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2, 9. Answer is 9,100. 9,191 is the answer. Okay. Next one. All of you take your text. Page number 94. Page number 94. Exercise 2.2. In exercise 2.2, there are 2 questions. I will explain one question. Remains your homework. 1 and 2. First question. Add A 489 plus 489 plus 372. Listen. 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2. Okay, ones, tens, 100. All of you take your text, page number 94. Okay. 1 tens, 100. 9 plus 2, 11. Write 1 in the ones place. This one carry to the tens place. This one carry to the tens place. Okay. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 ഇവണ്ണം നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ എഴുതി. ബാലൻസ് ഈസ് 1. ഇവണ്ണം നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? ടെൻസിന്റെ അവിടെ എഴുതി. ഓക്കെ. 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 7. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. 16. Right? 6 here. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. Okay. Then next 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4. 5. 1 plus 4. 5. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. 5. 6. 7 and 8. 861. I will explain one more time. 9 plus 2. 11. 11. 1 is right. 1 is here. Carry to the 1 to tens place. Carry 1 to the tens place. Then 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. Okay. 6 is here. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. 4 plus 3. So 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Answer is 861. Write these. Okay. Next one. B. 507 plus 396. 507 plus 396. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. 13. 3 is here. Carry 1 to the tens place. Carry 1 to the tens place. Okay, 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 9, 1 plus 9, 10. Okay, then put 0 here. Then carry this one to the hundreds place. Carry this one to the hundreds place. Okay. Then 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. 6. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. 6, 7, 8 and 9. 903. 903. Okay. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 6. 13. 3 is here. Then 1. Carry to the tens place. 1 plus 0. 1. 0 plus 9. 10. Then 0 is here. Carry 1 to the hundreds place. Then 1 plus 5. 6. 6 plus 3. 9. Answer is 903. Okay. Next one. 679